Hi, my name is Jennifer Penrose with Penrose and Associates Physical Therapy, and today I want to talk to you about our 8-week wellness and weight loss coaching program. If you are just tired and frustrated with your weight, or maybe the lack of energy, or your joints hurting, this program is for you. We had great success with our last 8-week program with 20 plus people in it. And the number one thing that people commented on was how great they felt. It's an anti-inflammatory way of eating, so it shouldn't be that big of a surprise, honestly, that people noticed such a big difference with how they felt. And then the second thing that they really noticed was that their clothes fit better. So they went down in sizes first. And then, of course, the weight also came off as well. And there were lots of people that had improvement in blood pressure, blood lipids, blood glucose. So it depends on all your health concerns that you are trying to work on. But we saw lots of positive changes. And one of the best things was learning new recipes. Recipes, if you're going to take things away, you have to have fun, delicious alternatives. And this program delivered on that. And that's why it's so successful to stick with for a longer time. So if you are interested in staying in fat burning mode, I created a free tips report that has 7 tips on staying in fat burning mode. So please request that. That's an easy start. And then if you want to learn more about our program, please let us know. We will be having Zoom overview meetings coming up shortly, and then the program will start soon. So do reach out. We are happy to help in any way. And there is a podcast where I interviewed one of the clients on going through this program, and it's on Stay Healthy, South Sound, and you'll see the episode there. It talks about weight loss and the wellness program, and so it might help to hear from a client's perspective how she felt when she went through it. So lots of resources. We wish you well on your journey of health.